In front of me is OPPO F19, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Password and Security. Now tap on Manage Passwords and click on Google. Following that, to add a password, select this plus icon next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, you can pick a website or click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!